Giraffes are remarkable creatures, instantly recognizable for their extraordinary height, long slender legs, and incredibly long necks. Male giraffes can grow up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, tall, making them the tallest land animals on the planet. Their unique appearance makes them impossible to mistake for any other animal. Along with their impressive height, giraffes are known for their distinctive large brown spots on gray or tan fur and the two bony structures on their heads, called ossicones. Their necks, adorned with a short, stiff mane, can reach up to 8 feet, 2.4 meters, in length. Interestingly, despite their neck length, giraffes have only 7 neck vertebrae, the same number as humans, though each of theirs is a massive 11 inches long. Giraffes inhabit the open woodlands and grassy savannas of Africa, primarily south of the Sahara Desert. In these environments, competition for food can be fierce, but giraffes have a unique advantage. Their long necks enable them to feed on treetop foliage, particularly leaves from acacia trees. However, acacia trees protect themselves with sharp thorns, some as long as 3 inches, 7.5 centimeters. Undeterred, giraffes use their prehensile, 18-inch, 45-centimeter tongues, which are dark bluish-black and highly flexible, to skillfully pluck leaves while avoiding the thorns. This specialized adaptation allows them access to a food source many animals cannot reach. Giraffes' height offers another survival advantage. It allows them to spot predators from a great distance, giving them ample time to flee. Other animals often rely on giraffes as sentinels of safety. However, giraffes are not without their vulnerabilities. Their height makes it challenging to drink water, requiring them to spread their legs and lower their heads to ground level, a position that leaves them exposed to predators. To mitigate this risk, giraffes often travel in herds, ensuring that someone is always on guard. In addition to their towering stature, giraffes possess powerful defenses. Their long legs and large hooves can deliver devastating kicks, strong enough to kill predators like lions. Despite their graceful demeanor, male giraffes sometimes engage in fierce battles for dominance. These neck-swinging contests, called necking, involve using their ossicones as weapons, striking with tremendous force. While giraffes are beloved worldwide, their populations are in decline due to habitat loss, hunting, and human expansion. Some subspecies are critically endangered. Fortunately, conservation efforts, including breeding programs and wildlife reserves, are working to ensure giraffes' survival. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating animals. See you next time on Animal EDU.